Okay, if you've never seen one, I wanted to show you the Jones balsa stripper that I've been using. I've been very happy with. You got the two yellow screws here. That tightens down your adjustment. You have a sliding rail here on the top. You got measurement in millimeters on the top, or you have inches on the bottom. So if you're doing a piece of wood I'm going to strip is 31 thousandths. So each one of these big marks on the bottom is 10 thousandths. So you line it up until you get to 31 thousandths, and then you just tighten up the thumb screw. Okay, now that that's on there, got it tightened up. The blade is actually up here in this point. You can barely see it sticking out. And then what you also have at the top, if I can get a good picture of it for you, is a blade guide, or a wood guide. So basically, this piece of metal pushes up against here, so when you push the wood in, it holds it in place. So it pushes it firmly against the back of this plexiglass, so you get a good square cut every time. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and strip out this piece of wood I got. It's 55 thousandths in thickness, and I want to cut it so it's 55 by 31. So we've already adjusted the stripper, and now all you have to do is push it up against the plexiglass rail it sits on, keep it firmly in place, and then just slowly work it through a few inches at a time. I usually push my fingers on the back of it as it's coming out just to hold it in place and keep it square also. But it doesn't take long to strip the sheet off. Finish this one up. Okay. So now here's our finished strip piece of wood, so let's check it. Okay, I'm trying to hold this here still, which is a little hard, but you can see on the thickness gauge that the piece of wood is 31 thousandths, and you can measure along the length of it. It does not change, so it does make a very even and accurate cut. Definitely worthwhile investment.